Hey guys, so today we are going to be learning how to harvest wefts from a wig, basically how to tear the wig apart so that you can get the hair fibers that you need to be ordered to actually make a wig out of, or to add highlights, or to make a ponytail or a braid or anything that you want to do that might not be a part of the original wig. Alright, you're going to need a seam ripper, a wig, and a lot of patience. You want to start by getting all of your products together, including your seam ripper. I like to have a comb just because I really like to keep my wigs tidy. Your wig, and in my case, is a cat as well. Pumpkin, what are you doing on the table? Pumpkin, get down. You're not supposed to be in the video. Okay, fine. First, I want to apologize to everyone for using my phone to make this video. I am so sorry. But that being said, let's move on. When you are separating the weft from the wig, you want to aim for the threads that are connecting the weft to the wig cap. Do be careful, they tend to make them the same color as the weft. You want to be careful not to cut the wefts themselves. It's worse than split ends. I also like to try and rescue my wig caps and just sort of save them. Don't judge me. You just want to work your way down the weft from one end to the other. You will find denser stitching at the beginning and the end of each weft. But power on through. You got this. Once you get all the way through, you will be rewarded. So now we're just gonna keep picking our way through. Remember earlier I mentioned you will need a lot of patience. But once you get through the end and all those lovely dense stitches at the end that I promised you where they overlap with the other wefts, you'll be able to just peel that weft away. Oh, it's such a great feeling. Look at that weft. Oh, there it is again. Now comes the fun part. We're going to make 3 hours go by in just mere minutes. We're getting wefts today. We're getting wefts today. My weft collection is growing. Peeling. So close, the finish line is in sight. Phew. That was a lot of work, but check out that nice empty wig cap. And look, tons of wefts to add highlights to any wig you desire. Isn't that great? Now FYI, I do have 2 more videos in the works. One is another wig video, what products make the best spiky wigs? And a seamstress tries video, a makeup tutorial. Everyone please pray for me. Also make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with all of our tutorials, and hit that like button please, and you'll be my best friend. Thanks for watching everyone. Until next time, stay creative. Again, you're making my camera all shaky.